Ever opened a pomegranate, watched that deep red juice drip down your fingers, and thought this must be powerful stuff? You're not wrong. Behind that royal color hides a quiet warrior, one that's been used since ancient times to heal hearts, literally and figuratively. And now, science is finally catching up with what old traditions always believed. Pomegranate juice can help lower your blood pressure, and not just a little. Let's walk through exactly how this works, what the juice does inside your body, and why people with high blood pressure should start paying more attention to this overlooked fruit. It's not magic, it's polyphenols. Pomegranate juice is loaded with polyphenols, a fancy word for powerful plant compounds. One of these punicalagin acts like a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Why does this matter for blood pressure? Because when your blood vessels are inflamed or damaged thanks to stress, bad food, or age, your heart has to work overtime. That's when blood pressure creeps up. But punicalagin steps in like a repairman. It soothes the vessel walls, clears oxidative stress, and helps them relax again. Relaxed blood vessels equals smoother blood flow equals lower pressure. It's basic plumbing with a biological twist. Let's get something clear. This isn't one of those superfood claims with zero science. Multiple clinical studies have shown that drinking pomegranate juice daily can significantly reduce both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. In one study, participants drank just 150 milliliters a day, that's half a glass. After 2 weeks, their systolic pressure dropped by up to 7%. That's nearly the same effect as some blood pressure medications, and without the side effects or the bill. Most people underestimate one thing. When you start drinking pomegranate juice regularly, you're often cutting back on sugary sodas, energy drinks, or processed juices. And guess what those sugary drinks do? Spike insulin, trigger inflammation, raise cortisol, all of which push your blood pressure in the wrong direction. So yes, the juice itself helps, but so does the fact that it's replacing the bad stuff. That's a quiet win no one talks about enough. It's a nitric oxide booster, yes, that's a good thing. Your body produces nitric oxide to keep your blood vessels flexible and wide. But stress, smoking, and a sedentary lifestyle slowly destroy your nitric oxide levels. Pomegranate juice doesn't just protect. Nitric oxide, it supercharges its production. That means better circulation, more oxygen to your muscles, and of course less pressure on your heart. Think of nitric oxide as the lubricant that helps your entire cardiovascular system run smoother. Pomegranate juice brings that back online. Who should be drinking this and when? This juice isn't just for people already diagnosed with hypertension. If your numbers are borderline, if high blood pressure runs in your family, or if stress is a daily visitor in your life, a glass of pomegranate juice in the morning can be a smart, tasty prevention plan. Morning is ideal. By the way, your body absorbs the nutrients better on an empty stomach, and the early boost to circulation helps fuel your day. But wait, there's one catch. Not all pomegranate juice is created equal. Many brands sneak in added sugars, dilute it with cheaper juices, or pasteurize it to the point that the polyphenols lose their punch. Look for cold-pressed, 100% pure pomegranate juice, preferably one that's refrigerated, not from concentrate. Yes, it's a little pricier, but your heart's worth it. Or better yet, make it fresh at home. It takes a little effort, but the reward is pure, unfiltered power. What your heart wants you to know. Let's not pretend one fruit can replace a healthy lifestyle or medication when it's truly needed. But when something as simple as a glass of pomegranate juice can help open your arteries, calm inflammation, and even lower your blood pressure naturally, wouldn't it be crazy to ignore it? If you've been searching for a small change that brings a big return, this could be it. So go ahead, pour a glass. Let your heart take a sigh of relief. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health fact secrets that actually work. Your heart and your future will thank you.